Looking for a new way to store some stuff in your 4x4? How about this Hyper Tough, Hyper Stack 3-drawer box? That's right, guys. This thing is just like your own little dresser. Throw it in the back of your Jeep, into your 4x4, but lots of really cool things that you can do with this as far as the modular layout of these drawers. It's just like a tackle box. You can adjust them to however you want. Pretty awesome overall. Also, these things are stackable, so you can put one on top of the other. They snap together. Really cool. Available at Walmart.